I started Stevens Trucking July 26, 1979 with one truck, and now we're at over 300 trucks and 1,500 trailers. I'll have people call me and go, hey, just passed one of your trucks in Tennessee.
During the pandemic, everybody started buying everything online, and that really added to our business. So the Divvy card has helped us save quite a bit of time here at Stevens Trucking. With our previous credit card company, we would get a statement at the end of the month. We would have to spend several days going through that statement, trying to match up all the receipts with every transaction on that statement, and it was not an easy process. The visibility into the daily transactions on our Divvy card is very important because we have about 50 to 55 employees here that have the cards, from our shop to our salespeople to some of our oil field drivers that use the Divvy card. So it's not just used in one central location, it's used throughout the country. As soon as they swipe that card, we can see the transaction, and they take a picture of the receipt and we can see that immediately. Helps us to know that those are all proper transactions. They aren't fraudulent in any way.
Everything's going real time instead of looking at your books 30 to 60 days later and going, man, we lost a ton of money. Real time, we know what our monthly spend is.
Divvy allowed us to focus on the areas of the company that we needed to focus on to keep the trucks going and to keep all of this merchandise moving all over the country and everything that goes into it. If the truck's not running, we're not making money. And it's really given me a huge appreciation for all the truckers out there.